Okey. Kita udah lepas. Oh, kita suruh pindah ke mobil. Azang polisi ha. Kau mati yang. Razia zebra je lah. Nak gadi.
I always say that I told them to fix that goddamn AC.
Saya kantik kau je. Suruh nama kantik ya. Panjang orang nak kantik eh. Kalau saya orang tadi.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Yo, what's up? Serobot lu lihat jo Bang Ali. Petang awak lama lanjutan limbo. Kini giliran awak melanjutkan GTA 5. Petang awak sama Misal ala cuba lo ganti baju ke rumah Celester. Awak lah memantau lo sampai permata tu, sampai Amir tu. Jadi langsung saja lanjutkan GTA 5. Check this out.
Now we all know why we're here.
Nah, kau yang sedang bincang-bincang ko tentang perampokannya.
It's simple.
Langsung saja nak.
Frank, you're with me. Ricky, I hope you can manage the truck with the bikes. Norman, Kareem, you've got the van with Bugstar on the side of it. See you on Little Portola, people.
Get in the car.
Initials only from here on out. F, come
Alah,
on, get in.
serobot lo je kucing hitam. Kemalang lah aku nak.
All right, you got it down?
I got it.
Go to
Because
the
you use too
resort.
much gas on
Jadi,
these guys, you'll kill them.
Well, shit, don't blame me the
Bah,
way these
langsung
canisters
masuk,
is
bah.
mixed.
Just be careful.
Yeah, okay.
di sini kita bareng si
I stuck my
dan
neck
si
out for you
Franklin.
here.
Man, you don't need to tell me that shit again.
I got faith in you, F, but you're unproven.
Kita
Unproven.
mencoba
For real.
mencuri
So I didn't prove myself when I
perhiasan di
jumped off the back
toko
of that
yang
yacht on the
kita
highway, huh?
Yeah,
Apain
but these
kemarin?
guys don't know
Itu
you.
polisi lah.
They
Nak
see
Razia
some
zebra ni.
gangbanger with a happy trigger finger. They
Uch,
got money and
isi.
their freedom on the line.
Ampiang kan
I
ni
ain't
Razia
gonna
zebra
fuck
ni.
this up, man.
Good. I got enough shit to worry about.
Hey, so you made savings on the personnel,
Langsung
huh?
aja
Yeah, well, I
kita si
figured it on
Franklin
Lester's
banyak
list of
bicara.
potentials. They can't be that bad.
Oh.
Sure, man.
Oh.
What could go wrong?
Cheap hacker, cheap driver, cheap gunman. Pretty much everything could go wrong.
We got this, man. Don't worry.
Great! The novice is reassuring me. Oh, brother.
Masih bang. Sorry bang. Tak kena stay. Game GTA ni game yang paling saya sukai. Kenapa? Karena ya itu saya suka. Tak ada lagi.
All right, this is it up there.
Tak ada orang
Way
nak
through the
suka
site.
game burung. Orang
Up
gedung
to the
game tak
roof.
suka.
Man, we
Oi,
went over
cik.
this. I'm cool.
All right, when the gas is in the ventilation system, give us the word.
For
Okay,
sure, man.
kita berhentikan
I got
di sini. Go to the roof.
Excuse me.
Assalamualaikum.
Exterminator.
Tak ada orang suka tu.
Hey, there ain't no one around.
That suits us. Come on, get up to the roof.
Ini tempat kita memantau kemarin, tempat si Michelle selfie. Ya tak? Tempat si Michelle selfie.
Get your ass out of here.
Hus. Lira.
Almost
Naik tangga
there.
ini.
We're in position, waiting on your signal.
Andai.
Just gotta
Di
get where
lapak
I
lah
can
ya.
do this.
Terkencing, terkentut.
Hey, kid, something go wrong?
Man, just give me a minute.
Hop. Turun aja. Kemari suruhnya. Okey. Masih disuruh ke atas.
I gotta
Okay.
aim.
Throw the BS gas into the air vent. Tu yang nak, yang kuning tu tak. Kita disuruh masukin gas ke sini. Langsung aja. Okey. Nah, kan ni resiko.
That was it. They going out.
Do you love her?
Well, I love her a lot. I wasn't thinking it
Ko
was...
yang rambut merah petang tu ha. Nak gadi
I
rambut
always
merah.
say that- I told them to fix that goddamn AC.
Saya kantik ko je. Suak nama kantik ya. Panjang orang nak kantik eh. Dah kaluk saya orang tadu.
Let's go.
Okey, kita disuruh masuk.
Go,
Tapi ambil ambil tu ah.
I'm on it.
Deh. Buat adik-adik atau teman-teman, jangan ditiru permainan ku tak.
Kidding me.
Ko tangkuk aku.
Employ a hacker who can't
Cok
run
bui.
antivirus software.
Kita luk masuk bui. Lain. Dah. Boleh aku.
We ain't leaving here till we hit the target. Come on. Screw these rich pricks.
Banyak sekali tu yang hijau-hijau di peta. Disuruh sambil semua.
Pick it up, man. You're dropping more than you're bagging. These hands weren't built for
Manciluk tu jangan ngurang-ngurang. Kau dapet
This is a classy joint.
7 keturunan aman. Kau tak menciluk. Ciluk berawih. Kenyang seorang. Sehari tu habis kenyang kali. Cuma gambar resul. Kita tanggung.
Hey, we gotta walk.
Wah, dia dengan sekian juta. Sekian miliar. Banyak dapet. Jadi 7 keturunan. Okey, kabur lagi.
So for the last time.
Dulu polisi skor aku. Tak payah lain. Tu lah.
Things every day, pal. Make sure this
Dia mang yuk. Ngecek ang membayang cong je. Jadi lang.
Let's go. Come on.
Okey, kita kabur. Di sini kita bareng Franklin.
Hey,
Follow the
the
crew.
driver meant to be telling us
Crew,
where to
crew,
go.
crew, crew.
Kareem, you the driver. Shit, where we going? You crackhead.
Okey. Woi, kita disuruh menghindar razia zebra.
Shut up.
Bikon yang kuis yang tak kata tu ni, yo, ngeri.
Ass. If there's a turn coming up,
Itulah
you gotta
razia
tell
zebra
us,
tu kan.
man.
Banyak bersih lah. Mati. Sah.
I'm driving blind back here.
Alah,
Damn cheap
jatuh
ass
lah
crew
kau nak siap.
crashed himself out.
Terus. Iya. Jatuh lah kau anak tadi. Kau jangan mabuk saja.
You lost? Man, you kidding me? Where'd Michael
Mantap
find you?
dah anak. Kau awak ada sekolah cepet lah, apik lah.
Better be right.
Titit. Lah. Ini polisi ngajar awak. Dia ambil je.
Hey, these sports
Tinggal awak.
You should have got some scramblers, man.
Sam. Pasang quick kepala aja. Cepet. Kawan nak kancang selari. Kau tinggal nak jalan ke kawan dengan pasang quick kepala lah. Selambut putih nak tipu saja kawan. Buat cewek je, lupa lah je kawan. Kadang dengan no kawan cewek tu. Kadang tak lah. Hingga tu cewek ni buat mungkin nak. Okay. Sap. Jangan sakit ni gua. Sakit tu kepala tu gua. Okay. Kita udah lepas. Oh, kita suruh pindah ke mobil. Azang polisi ha. Oh, mati yang. Razia zebra tu lah. Tak ikut je masyarakat ni ha. Mati lah. Sampai ke selokan ke razia zebra ni nak? Barang. Bukan ni nyo. Lagi mah. Matiang.
Two bikes? What the hell happened?
Aja lek.
Ah, shit! What happened to his
Tidak,
part of the
Razia lagi
score?
nak.
All right then, good work.
Okey. Dah
Yeah,
sudah berhenti.
come on, get in.
Oh, sudah naik ah. Cepat naik.
Lester's waiting for us at the lockup.
Go to the lockout. Lock up.
What is this bullshit?
Jalan sampik tu kadang.
Man, I thought I was gonna be stuck to that bike. Yeah, I thought
Masuk
you were
masuk
gonna be
masuk
stuck
piti banyak
under
gua.
There gotta be more dudes waiting around that
Rem
way.
gua jauh
We did
nak.
not just get
Tak
away
tu
with that
dekat
shit, did we?
tu.
You know what? I think we did.
Ah, man. Ha ha! Woo! Ha ha! Yeah!
You guys gotta join my herd.
Okey, kita disuruh sini. Was ah.
Get out of fucking way.
You coming? Come on.
Woi. Wah, siap semaliang terlalu piu
We need to
gua.
split up. They're gonna be looking for a crew.
I'll wire your cuts when the rocks have been sold.
That shit was crazy, dog. So what now?
We get out of here. Keep our heads down.
Okey, langsung aja. Tu misinya tadi maliang peti banyak peti. Woi. Mission sukses. Okey. Mungkin cukup sampai di sini GTA 5.
I don't care if you got
Oh.
money now.
Tak boleh lah. Sampai sikus dulu GTA 5. Bisa awak sambung lihat. Untuk kawan-kawan nonton tadi video awak yo. Terima kasih bagi yang udah nonton, bagi yang setia nonton. Terima kasih banyak. Ikutin terus channel saya Bang Ali. Kita akan main game terus. Yang hobi gamers silakan lihat. Oke. Saya dari Minang Gamers. Salam gamers.
I'll be one day on that track with gunplay. Outcast my whole life, so I decide to spit like Andre.